Hi there! Are you ready to look at how to use the App Launcher to navigate through your apps in Office 365? Once you're logged in, you'll notice this icon in the top left corner of your screen. And it's basically a menu of all your Office 365 apps and services. Each one is depicted as a tile. Now, the App Launcher is great simply because it provides a single point of access to all the services that are available to you in Office 365. Every app is only one click away, and no matter what application of Office 365 you're working in, that App Launcher can always be found right here in the upper left-hand corner for quick and easy access. So let's get to it. When clicking on this App Launcher, as we have done, you'll be able to see all of the Office 365 applications available to you right here within the Home view. Now, it's important to note that while your app launcher will look a little different than Karen's, this really depends on what is included in your Office 365 subscription. It also depends on whether you're an administrator. So let's go ahead and launch the Tasks tile. And now that I've clicked on that, you'll see that Tasks will immediately open up for me to work in. You'll also notice, as previously mentioned, that even when I'm in Tasks, that App Launcher is still displayed on my page, so I can navigate back to it and click on another Office 365 application that I need to work in, such as OneDrive for Business. Clicking back on the App Launcher and continuing on our tour, you can also customize the Home tab to ensure that all your most used apps reside here by pinning and unpinning apps. Now, this can help you minimize the clutter and make your home view a little more cleaner and organized. So let's say I don't want Power BI on my home view because maybe I don't use it too much. So I can simply right-click on the app and choose to unpin from home. You can personalize the apps as well. If I right-click again on one of my apps, such as Yammer, and click on Resize, I can see that medium is the default size, but I can choose to make it small or wide. I can also rearrange the order of the tiles by holding it down with my mouse and then dragging it to a new location. Besides unpinning an app from my home view or resizing it, right-clicking on an app gives me more options as well. I can open it in a new tab, or by clicking on More, I can pin an app to my nav bar, meaning it will always be accessible on my Office 365 navigation bar that runs at the top of my screen, so I don't necessarily have to click on the App Launcher to access it. This is recommended for those apps you use quite frequently. And I can also click on App Details. Now, clicking on this gives me a snapshot of what an application is and what I can do with it. And if my curiosity is piqued enough, I can simply click here to open Yammer. Now, moving on to the new view within your app launcher, this will alert you when Microsoft has added a new product to the Office 365 suite. And finally, the All view, where you will see all your Office 365 applications in a list form, and from where you can also search apps and, as mentioned, further pin apps to customize your home view. Again, the App Launcher is a super easy point of access for all of your Office 365 applications, so go ahead and get familiarized with it, as I'm sure you'll be navigating to it quite frequently. Thanks for hanging.